Our project title is Image Description Generated with Convolutional Neural Network and Long Short-Term Memory Model. Our team consisting of Ahmed Zazal Kapil, Amir Iqbal, Anush S and Arjun Shaji. We are guided by Mr. Justin Joy. Image description generated includes a detailed understanding of each and every elements present in the image. And we also need a clear understanding about the surrounding of the image. In our project, we uses convolutional neural network and long short-term memory model. The feature is extracted using convolutional neural network, and using the LSTM model, we generated the corresponding caption. In our system architecture, we inputted our images to convolutional neural network. Here we uses a pre-trained model called exception model, and the output is given to long short-term memory model, and which generated the corresponding caption. The first step, we imported our necessary packages. The next step is we perform data cleaning. In data cleaning, we converted all the lowercase letters, all the uppercase letters to lowercase letters. And the third step, we extracted the feature vector from all the images. Next step, we train our model using Flickr 8K dataset. Then we created a vocabulary and tokenized the vocabulary. Then we define our model and train the model. Last step, we test our model with our input images. Data cleaning is our first step. In data cleaning, we remove all the stop words, punctuations, and convert our text to lowercase letters, which provide us consistency. In extracting the features, we uses a pre-trained model called exception model, which is already trained in ImageNet dataset. From here, we got 2048 feature vector corresponding to each images. Next step is tokenizing the vocabulary. In this step, we create tokens corresponding to each word in the description. Next, we created a data generator. As I said, each image is converted to 2048 feature vector, and we are using a Flickr 8K dataset containing 6000 images. So the image size, the size is very big. So in order to reduce this, in order to rectify this problem, we created a data generator. This data generator take each images and it generate the corresponding captions. Then we define the CNN model. Here it consists of 3 steps, which having feature vector, feature extractor, sequence processor, and a decoder. This is our result. Here we inputted our images and our model generated the corresponding caption. The caption here is the boy in red and the white uniform kicking the soccer ball. Conclusion. The developed system is able to reliably captionize the images. We uses convolutional neural network for extracting images and long short-term memory model for generating the corresponding caption. Thank you.